There's fidget spinners. Oh my gosh. Where did all these come from? But now that I got so many fidget spinners, do you guys know what that means? Fidget spinner challenge! So I'll see you guys in just a minute. Hey guys, it's Destiny, and today I'm going to be doing 4 hard fidget spinner challenges. And I'm gonna if I get it right, I get 1 point. If I don't, then no points. I'm gonna open the door. So nice out. Really nice out, people. Really nice out. Stay open, you stupid door. Okay, sorry guys. I wanted the door open. And to stay open, this door will not close or stay open. Well, it will close, but it will not stay open. So, stay close, open door. I think I got an idea. There we go. I fixed the problem. Oh, man, the jaw. Okay, guys, I'm back, and now it's time for the 4 hard challenges. So let me ask the judges what challenges first. So what do I have to do first, Judge? Oh, what? No. There's no way I can do that. I'm pretty sure I can do it, maybe. Possibly. And I'm in passively. So, I guess I'm gonna do it. I'll be back in a minute, guys. Guys, the first challenge is to spin as much fidget spinners on top of each other as I can. I got 7. Let's see how many I can get there. So, let me try. So, let me set this down a little bit so you guys can see. Okay, first one. Dang it, ow! Sorry guys, I hurt my thumb and it made me stop. Fidget spinners! And these fidget spinners are way in the way. I have one more chance to spin all these on top of each other. Ow! I keep hurting my finger, guys! I keep hurting my finger. I have no idea why I keep hurting my finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, guys. 6, only 2 stacks. So I get half a point. That's just not bad, I guess. I guess it's not bad, you guys. I guess it's not that bad. Let's do the next challenge. And hey, Judge, when did you move over there? Okay, Judge, what do you have for me now? Are you joking? Guys, I need to spin a fidget spinner on my nose. I am not able to spin a fidget spinner on my nose. My little nose. Why did I even do that? Because I just want to. Okay. So I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, guys. Now I need to spin a fidget spinner on my nose. And I only have 1 chance, and I need to do this for 3 seconds. Go. 1, 2. Oh, the judge gave me 2 more chances. How nice. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2. My last chance. 1, 2, 3. I did it, guys! I did it! I got 1.5 points. 1.5. This is pretty good, guys. Pretty good. Pretty good. What do I need to do now, Judge? Spin 2 fidget spinners at the same time. That's easy. Let me get 2 of these fidget spinners over here. 1 and 2. 2 fidget spinners right here. Now. Hold on. Now I have to do this on my own. Pretend for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Boom, 25. Way more than 10, people. Way more than 10. That's way more than 10. Whee! Oops. Sorry about that, guys. That was not supposed to happen. So now I can do my last challenge. Now I can do my last challenge. Okay, hurry up. What's in that last challenge? A fidget spinner on my pinky? How easy. Okay, guys, I need to spin one on my pinky. So I'm pretty sure you guys can see me. Do it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom, guys, I did it. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like the video and leave a comment down below which challenge was your favorite. And I'll see you guys in the I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. What do you want now?